Hello viewers, how are you? Please subscribe our channel. Viewers, today our topic is treatment of the knees and joint pains with the help of ginger. Look at the picture. There is ginger. It is 30 grams. How to do it? Take a piece of fresh ginger weighing about 30 grams. Then wash it and cut it. Then put in the blender. With a liter of drinking water, stir the mixture until the ginger melts. Then pour the mixture in a glass jug, and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Then filter the mixture from the ginger and put it back in the refrigerator. The treatment is ready in the refrigerator. Now you start drinking a small cup of tea, and to drink it between Maghrib and Isha prayer. Please don't take other timings, just as I mentioned, between Maghrib and Isha. And also, don't exceed the limit. The pain of knees will be healed, and also it will help the suffering from breath shortness. There are also other benefits, as it may decrease the pressure, give a high body immunity, and make sense of vitality and activity in the body. So please, friends, as I mentioned, don't take more. Just take it, as I mentioned, half cup of tea between Maghrib and Isha.